Hello everyone, welcome to online class. My dear students, we have been dealing with the lesson The Tsunami, and this lesson we have taken from the Honeydew English textbook for the students of class 8, and already we have made 3 videos over this lesson and we have seen the 2 parts of the lesson, okay, part 1 and part 2, okay, and here in the 4th video we are going to see the last part of the story or last part of the lesson, and that is what we are going to see about here. Okay, in previously we have seen in the part 1 what we saw about 4 stories we saw there, okay, like Ignatius, Sanjeev, and Meghna, Almas, okay, and all the stories we saw in the part 1. And in the part 2 what we saw? We saw about the Smith family. Okay, we saw about the Smith family, how they were affected by the tsunami and how they could save their life and the other tourist life. Okay, and in the part 1 what it was telling where the tsunami hit. The tsunami hit in the Andaman Nicobar, and what affected the people, how affected the people, that we saw in the part 1. Okay, and in the part 2 we saw that tsunami hit in Thailand. In the part 2 it hit in Thailand, and what happened in Thailand, especially about the Smith family that we have seen in the previous video. Okay, and this comprehension check I have told you to write. And now part 3 of this lesson we are going to see here in this video. Okay, so let us begin with what it says. It will tell about the animals. Did animals sense about the tsunami before the tsunami came, or could animal know about the tsunami when it is going to happen, or where they are going to sense about the tsunami? All those things we are going to see here. So let us start with, look carefully at the picture of the boy and his dog. You can see the picture here. The boy is there and the dog is there. Okay, boy and the dog, you can see the picture. Okay, and when do you think this picture was taken? What do you think when this picture was taken? Maybe after the tsunami hit there. Yes or no? So let us see and try to describe the things that you see. Okay, using just words and phrases, and you have to try to tell about what are the things you see here. Okay, it may not be clear here in this video, but you can see in your textbook it will be very clear to you. Okay, and what do you see? The boy is there, the dog is there, and it is the boy is sitting on one, I think it is a building. Okay, over the building he is sitting there. Okay, just on the roof, and there here all the things are seen, everything is destroyed and water is there everywhere. Okay, so you can write some sentences, some phrases what you see exactly in this picture. Okay, either the teacher or one of the students can write down the words and phrases on the blackboard, and here either the student or either the teacher, okay, can write the phrases, write the sentences that you see in this picture, okay, on the blackboard, it says. So my dear students, what you will do is that the first activity in this video for you is that look at the picture and what are the things you see there. You will write down them in the notebook and you will forward it to me. Okay, so that is your homework in the beginning itself. Okay, so now let us see. This is how you can start. Okay, and this is how you can start writing about this picture. Calm blue sea. Okay, it is very calm, very peaceful scenery is there, peaceful situation is there, and blue sea is in there, and ruined hearts. Okay, ruined heart. Ruin means destroyed the hearts. Okay, destroyed the houses or there you can see this is also one of the building, and that is also destroyed, and rest of the hearts were there that were destroyed. And you can continue writing. Okay, continue writing, looking at the picture. Okay, so now let us start. Before the giant waves slammed into the coast of India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals seemed to know what was about to happen. Okay, and it is also told that before the tsunami came, before the tsunami hit there, and the animals, slump is hit. Okay, before it hit into the coast in India and Sri Lanka. Coastal area means, coast means what is that? समुद्र किनारा को कोस्टल एरिया बोला जाता है. Okay, the sea beach and the area which is there just nearer to the sea, that areas are called coastal area. So in this area the animals were there, and before the tsunami came, the animals, wild animals or domestic animal. Wild means what is that? Jungli जानवर, domestic means पालतू जानवर. Okay, so the animals seem to know what was about to happen. It is all about that the animal could understand what is going to happen. Animals को पता चल गया कि क्या होने वाला है. Okay, they fled to safety. According to eyewitness accounts, elephants they screamed and ran for higher ground. Dogs refused to go outdoors, and flamingos. Okay, flamingos abandoned their low-lying breeding areas, low-lying breeding areas, and two animals rushed into their shelter and could not be enticed to come back out. Okay, now what happened? You can see when they could understand that tsunami is coming or something is going to happen, all the animals are going to the safer place, safety place or higher place they are going. Okay, and according to eyewitness, means some of the people saw that, many people saw that animals are running into the higher places. And why? And elephants also screamed, elephants also shouted, and they ran to the higher ground. And dogs also refused to go outdoors. Okay, dogs also refused to go. Some of the dogs and their masters, what they do in the morning, they go for a walk. Okay, and because we know that the tsunami came early in the morning on 26th December. Okay, early in the morning it came. So in the morning, what happened? The dogs and their master go for walk. So the dogs are refusing to go for the walk also with their master, because they could know and they could understand that tsunami is going to come. Then flamingos abandoned their low-lying breeding areas. And flamingos, these are the birds, they also abandoned, or they also did not go where they were just going and resting in the resting places. They did not go there on that day. Okay, when the tsunami was going to come. Okay, in the breeding areas. And two animals rushed into their shelters and could not be enticed to come back out. And these Jew animals, okay, all the Jew animals in the Jew, whatever animals were kept, they went inside their shelter. Okay, they went inside their shelter and they are not interested to come out of that shelter. Okay, because they are frightened. Okay, and once they enter inside the shelter where they are living, they are not able to come out, or they are not willing to come out from that shelter, and they wanted to remain inside only. Okay, because they came to know about the tsunami, and the tsunami is going to hit the place, or come to hit the places. Okay, then many people believe that animal possess a sixth sense and know when the earth is going to shake. Some experts believe that animals' more acute hearing helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibration. They can sense an approaching disaster long before humans realize what is going on. Okay, and it is said that some of the experts also say that animals have the sixth sense. Okay, how many senses do we have? We have 5 senses, but some people believe that animals have sixth sense. Okay, and they can sense everything. They can sense what is going to happen. You might have seen the dogs. Okay, sometimes when we see some of the holes are there, and they will just go on scratching there, because they understand that something is there, rat or something is there inside the hole. But if you go and see in the hole, will you understand the rat is there? You will not understand. You will just be confused, and you will be surprised that why the dog is just scratching here and digging here. But dog knows that something is there inside, and that the dog can catch it. So that is what it is compared with our sense and with the sense of animal. Their sense is better than ours, it is said. Okay, and some experts believe that animals' more acute hearing helps them to hear or feel the earth vibration. And some of the experts says that the animals have the hearing power. Okay, and their hearing power is so high that they can hear anything. Okay, they can hear anything, and they can also feel the vibration of the air, which we cannot, or which is not possible for a human being. They can sense approaching disaster long before human realizes what is going on. Okay, and also they can sense the disaster Disaster means what is anything. Okay, disaster means, for example, there are disasters, different kind of disasters are there. I told you in the beginning, man-made disasters are there, human-made disasters are there. For example, man-made में क्या होगा, ये जो टेररिज्म है, एक्सीडेंट्स है, और अलग-अलग तरीके से फायर, forest fire is there, and so many things are there. And natural, what is there, like tsunami, okay, tsunami, flood, landslide, and all volcanoes and all these things are there. So whatever disaster is going to come, and they are able to sense the disaster. Okay, now something is going to happen that human being cannot feel before that. Okay. Then we cannot be sure whether animals have a sixth sense or not, but the fact is that the giant waves that roll through the Indian Ocean kill more than 150,000 people in a dozen countries, but not many animals have been reported death. Okay. Now here also it says that we are not sure about the sixth sense of the animal. Okay, sixth sense of the animal, or we cannot exactly say that animals have how many sense? Six sense. But the fact is that when the giant wave means huge wave, that means tsunami came and heated, okay, the land, there the animals were declared. How many people died was declared, and it was calculated in dozens of countries or in different countries like Andaman Nicobar, like Tamil Nadu, and like Thailand. Some of the countries which were heated by the tsunami, and people died there in different areas, and total people were 150,000 people had died. But if we say about the animals, or if we see about the animal, how many animals died? Very less, or very few animals died, where lots of human beings, lots of people died. Okay, so what do you see, or what is your opinion? Do animal have sixth sense or no? What do you say? In my opinion, 50-50, because we cannot consider the animal greater than human. Okay, along India's Cuddalore coast, where thousands of people perished, buffaloes, goats, and dogs were found unharmed. And you see along Indian's Cuddalores, okay, coastal. वहाँ पे क्या हुआ? Thousands of people perished. Thousands of people perished means died. Okay, perished means died. Okay, thousands of people died here in Cuddalore coast. But buffaloes, goats, and dogs were found unharmed. अब ये सारे animals को when they saw that these animals were unharmed, they were not affected at all by that. Whereas many people are dying, but animals are not even affected by that tsunami. Okay, because they came to understand. They knew that tsunami is going to come, and they went to the safer places. The Yola National Park in Sri Lanka is home to a variety of animals, including elephants, leopards, and 113 species of birds. Okay, 60 visitors were washed away from the Patanagala beach inside the park, but no animal carcasses were found except for two. Okay, you can see but no animal carcasses. Okay, but no animal carcasses were found except from two water buffaloes. About an hour before the tsunami hit, people at Yola National Park had observed 3 elephants running away from the Patanangala, okay, Patanangala beach in Sri Lanka. You see here what it says. In the Yola National Park, where it is in Sri Lanka, okay, in that there are varieties of animals are there, and like elephant, leopards, and around 130 species of birds. मतलब अलग-अलग जाति की चिड़िया भी वहाँ पे है. 130 जातियाँ के चिड़िया वहाँ पे है. Okay, so there what happened? 60 visitors were washed away, and there what happened? 60 visitors were washed away. These 60 visitors died there because of this tsunami. Okay, and but let us see. But what is that? But animals except but no animals carcasses was found. But no animal carcasses. Carcasses means dead body. Okay, carcasses means dead body of animal. So carcasses were found. No animals carcasses were found except for 2 water buffaloes. Okay, 2 वाटर बुफालो के अलावा और कोई भी एनिमल्स का डेड बॉडी नहीं मिला था. सिर्फ 2 ही एनिमल्स मारे हुए थे. जहां पे कि कितने लोग मर गए, कितने विजिटर्स, 60 visitors died. Then about an hour before, and people also say before 1 hour, tsunami hit at the time, for example 6 o'clock. So 5 o'clock itself, the animal came to know about, and the animals and people also observed that the elephant, okay, 3 elephants running away from the Patanangala beach. From that beach, these animals were running away. Before 1 hour, the tsunami hit that place. A Sri Lanka gentleman who lives on the coast near a gully said his 2 dogs would not go for their daily run on the beach. Okay, now one of the men said from the Sri Lanka, okay, a gentleman, where he was taking 2 of his dogs every day to the sea beach for what? Running or just walking or exercise. Okay, but those 2 dogs are not willing to go today. They were not willing to go, and they refused to go for the walk with the gentleman. They are usually excited to go on this outing, he said, but on that day they refused to go and most probably saved his life. Okay, other days these dogs were very excited, and the dogs were very excited to go for the walk and go for the exercise. Okay, but on that day they did not want to go. So by that way the gentleman also did not go. Okay, and that way they saved their life. Okay, so my dear students, I hope you have understood this one. Here we came to understand that animals, okay, especially the animals, so many people died, but less animals had lost their life. Okay, and we are also talking that animals have the powerful sense, they have the sixth sense, and they have the hearing power, okay, better than human being, and they also can realize that disasters coming before human being realize. Okay, and we saw in the national park, in the Yola National Park in Sri Lanka, what happened, the incidents, how the animals were running, how the men were able to save their life, or the dogs, they refused to go for the walk. All these things we saw. So my dear students, I hope you have understood this lesson properly, and here we just see the comprehension scene, and we'll just stop here, and we'll see in the next video the question and answer working with the text. Okay, so answer using a phrase or a sentence. Number 1, in the tsunami 1,50,000 people died, yes or no? How many animals died there? How many animals died there? Only a few animals died there. Where 1,50,000 people died, there only a few animals died. Yes or no? Where is the answer? Can anybody tell me? Okay, answer is here. Here it is. But not many animals have been reported dead. But okay, that means only a few animals died. The next question: how many people? Okay, how many people and animal died in Yola National Park? How many people and animal died in Yola National Park? Okay, how many people? The 60 people died in Yola National Park. And how many animals? How many animals? Here you can see, but no animals carcasses were found except for 2 water buffaloes. Only 2 animals died and 60 men died. Okay. The next question: what do people say about the elephant of Neola National Park? What do people say about the elephant of Neola National Park before the tsunami came? How the elephant were acting there? How the elephant were reacting there? 3 elephants were running away. Yes or no? Here you see, had observed 3 elephants running away from the Patanangala beach, and they observed that elephants are running from the beach. What did the dogs in gully do? What did the dogs in gully do? Here, this is what gully. What did they do? They refused to go for their daily work, or they refused to go for their daily run on the beach. Okay. So my dear students, this is your homework. You have to write in your notebook and you have to forward it to me in my WhatsApp number. So here we stop and we have just completed the lesson, the tsunami. If you have any doubt, you can just contact with me and you can ask any doubt and you can clarify it. Okay, I am ready to clarify you the doubts you have. Okay, so we'll meet again in the next video with the working with the text of this lesson.